Hello, small children. I made it out of those rocks and now I'm in the jungle. This jungle is deep. It's very tense. I could be eaten by bugs in a second. But I'm not, because I'm special. What's that? Is that a bug? I must kill it for my food. Where did it go? It's over there. You know what, screw this. I'm in a mud pit, and I don't care. I don't care if my plane gets dirty now. I must survive. I must hunt. As this deadly war continues. Wait a second. Why is there two gigantic logs? I'm gonna go up on one. Yay! I went uppy. But why? But it does have a nice view of all the people that are dying up there in their little airplanes. So sad. So sad. I'm crying. Crying. But look at that. That's a mud pit. And that is my hood. Whew. Oh boy, I love myself some dirt. Oh boy, yeah, I love dirt. Oh boy. What's happening? Are the powers of my insanity taking me home? Is this magic? What is this? The powers of my insanity are taking me home. This is great. Now I can start uploading videos in a regular process. I will see you back in my homeland. Oh.